Maybe I should remove the bubble wrap too so she can just see it once it's open.
Now she can remove the bubble wrap.
I'll remove the bubble wrap.
Well, yeah, because it's heavy.
We're doing early Mother's Day gifts
Or should I
today.
just take it out of the box? She's not looking. I'll take it out of the box.
Okay. Do you know what it is, Dan, already? Yeah, I just seen it. But I didn't know what it was. No. No, because it's...
All right,
Okay.
come see your
Eyes
gift.
closed. I'm gonna guide you over.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Don't hit my toes or arm.
Go ahead, open.
That's it.
What?
Hold it up for her. It's a work of art.
That is, did you make that?
Yes.
Oh my God! Wait a minute!
Yeah.
What did you do with the gold sorter?
Well, that's the
That's the
part
other
we
part of your
accidentally
gift that we
forgot at home. We forgot it at home.
You can't forget that part!
Yeah, no, we have a whole the contents is all at home on accident in the fridge. But
This is the best!
yeah, it's just a one of a kind. It's one of a kind wall art.
It is!
That's what it is.
That's going in my fucking living room. I'm
Yeah.
gonna put that.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God, let me show you.
Hold it
No, I
for
can't
her,
hold that.
Gatsby.
I haven't come
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you put.
in. We're titling it Beautiful Trauma.
Art. He made it himself though for my Mother's Day. Do you want to see what it is? Go look at the table. I'll hold that.
We got the idea off of TikTok, actually.
Can you? That is the fucking best ever.
Where'd you find all